Hi, I'm Judy Myhand, an instructor in the School of Nutrition and Food Sciences at LSU. And today I'm going to demonstrate a few ways that you can use sweet potato leaves and vines in your diet because they are so nutritious, and I'm always trying to get people to eat more greens. So the first thing that I'm going to do is saute some leaves from the kakura sweet potato vine and the stems too. So I've got a pan heating over here, putting a little olive oil in there, getting it heated. Just run the knife across a little bit here and chop the stems. These are the kakura leaves that I'm chopping and the vines that I'm chopping. One of the things that I really like about these is they have the anthocyanin pigment in them that is an antioxidant and helps to reduce risk of chronic disease. Very good to add to your diet. And beautiful, look at it. Okay. Toss them around a little bit in that olive oil. I might add a little bit of garlic, chopped garlic. Oh, it just smells so good. Some salt and pepper. If we have any of these left over after we've done our taste test, I might put this in my scrambled eggs in the morning because there's so many different things that you can do with just the plain sauteed greens. You can add them to a stuffing. So many ways that you can eat them, or just eat them as a good side, a good healthy side. All right, that was quick. I'd say they're done. We're going to put them on a plate. So we enjoyed tasting our wonderful sauteed sweet potato greens, and now we're going to take a different kind of sweet potato green called the macatia and make a delicious pesto from it. So this pesto is going to have 2 cups of the macatia greens that we have cleaned, some Louisiana pecans, some Parmesan cheese, a little bit of garlic, and some olive oil. We're going to make a pesto and toss it with this pasta. Might add some salt and pepper too. All right, so first we'll put the greens into the blender. I just added 1/4 cup of olive oil. And there also might put a few more pecans in there. And maybe the rest of the cheese. I'm going to toss some of this pesto in with this pasta. It's looking good. The good thing about this rotini pasta is that the pesto gets into the curves in the pasta, and that makes it hold on to the flavor. And so now that we've finished our pesto, a wonderful savory dish, and we've tasted it and approved of it, now we're going to make a sweet dish, a smoothie, using the sweet potato leaves from the macatia sweet potato, some yogurt, some frozen Louisiana strawberries that, by the way, still have their greens on them, with a little bit of sunflower seed butter, and we're going to mix that up and see what we've got. So first I'll put these frozen strawberries, frozen delicious Louisiana strawberries. This is going to be so nutritious. Some leaves that I washed, some of the delicious leaves. And now we made some yogurt in our food lab. So we're pouring some yogurt in there. And then sunflower seed paste, butter. This sunflower seed butter is a little sweet on its own, and the strawberries are sweet, so I'm not going to add any sugar, but we could add a little honey if, after we taste it, we decide it needs a little something. So here we go. I think we still have some frozen strawberries in there, so let's go over them. All right. I'd eat that for breakfast. It's delicious. Delicious smoothie with the macadamia greens in it and Louisiana strawberries, among other dishes that we can prepare using these delicious and nutritious sweet potato greens. A salad, a tea, some sauteed greens, a pesto, the pesto right here, and a smoothie. So waste not, want not. Don't let sweet potato greens go to waste, and try some of these treats.